You got it figured out?
Yeah, sure, I got it figured out.
What do you think of that thing?
You just don't know how impressed I am.
Is that right?
I just think it's absolutely the most fantastic thing in my 89
Is that
years
right?
that I have ever known about.
Well, you're awful sweet.
It is. I'm so proud of you. And
Well,
I don't know of anybody that deserves it more than you.
oh, I don't deserve it.
Well, you do.
It just had a lot of fun.
Well,
It's-
I never dreamed it's going to be this big.
Yeah,
When you hook it all together.
yeah.
And Mike said, if you're going to see it before it's gone, you got to
Gotta see
go
it.
with me today.
That's right, because it's going to leave
And
Friday morning. It's going to Venezuela.
Friday morning.
Yeah.
Who's going to take it to Texas?
Another trucking company will come in and hook up to it right here.
I see,
And
okay.
tow
Well,
it
I
to,
wondered.
to Miami. It's going to a port
Oh,
in
oh,
Miami.
in
and
Miami.
Then in Miami it'll...
I don't know why I said Houston.
Well,
I-
usually it's either Houston Ship Channel or Miami. This one's going to Miami.
Oh, okay.
So right now it's running about 20
I just can't believe.
gallons a minute through it. It'll run on diesel fuel or on propane.
He told me that.
Yeah, that's the old
And
propane
they
truck.
ask and you just do. And
Yeah. It switches over. Well, I'm going to let you start it up. You want to start it up?
Oh,
Come on up here and start it up.
what is this?
You got to put earplugs in because it's very loud.
Oh, okay. You just don't know how exciting this is to me.
Well, come right on up them stairs right there.
Okay.
Go right on up.
Put your earplugs in before you get up.
I never have worn earplugs.
Well, you got to roll them up. So put them in your fingers and just roll them like this.
Oh.
Roll them down. Yeah, just pinch them and flatten them, and then stick it in your ear before it expands back out.
Oh,
And I just kind of
okay.
screw it in my ear a little.
Just gonna screw them in there.
Yeah.
Pinch it down good and tight, and then it'll fit right back in your ear.
You can't go too far. They got that string on it, so you can pull it back.
Yeah. You can't push
Listen,
it all.
my head's full of brains. It won't go very far.
Okay, go on up the
This
stairs.
is just so exciting. I just can't believe it.
Come on up the next stairs. Huh?
There's your drill.
Yeah, we were using the impact. Come on up here.
Oh. I can climb if I have something to hold.
That's right. There, you're doing great. Okay, you want to set your purse right there on the bench?
Oh my.
Okay, so this is the pump that pumps the water through the whole system. So this pump provides the high pressure. It'll do like 2,500 psi, so it's quite a lot of pressure, and it flows about 50 gallons every minute, 60 gallons every minute.
That is pressure or water?
It's water at 2,000 psi, and about 50 gallons a minute.
Okay.
So all that water goes down the low well. So of course we put it down the low well as steam.
Oh, okay.
So we have to. This whole thing is
I
here.
was going to say, I didn't think it was water. Water is steam, but
We have to heat it up. So
it's not just water, hot
that's right.
water.
We heat it up. Put a lot of heat in.
It's the
So
steam.
the water comes in. It's quite cold, as you can feel right here.
I can see it sweating.
Yeah, quite cold.
Oh,
So
my.
that's well water. And
Really?
we'll take it in at that temperature, and a couple minutes later it'll come out the back at 600 degrees if we want to. So it's a big fire. So to start the thing up, this is the control system. So you just touch that panel anywhere.
Just touch it.
Just touch it. Yeah, there you go.
Oh,
All right, now it's got an alarm here because I had it shut off. So push the close button. That gets rid of the alarms. All right, now it's in emergency stop right now. See, it says emergency stop.
Uh-huh.
So you have to reset that. So you go to alarms,
Uh-huh.
reset. All right, and then we hold this button down for a count of 2 where it says acknowledge.
Acknowledge.
Uh-huh. Count of 2. Okay, then hold the reset for a count of 2. All right, it didn't go away, and it tells us that the emergency stop is still pressed on the control panel. So it's telling us that that button is depressed. So we just grab the handle and twist it to like the arrows
The
show.
red or the yellow?
The yellow, yeah. I'm sorry, the red handle inside the yellow. Just twist it like the knobs, like
To
the
the
arrows
right.
point. Mm-hmm. Just give it a
How
little twist,
far?
and you'll feel it. Feel it pop out?
Uh-huh.
Okay, you just reset it. Now,
Oh.
push acknowledge again.
Oh, I can't believe this.
Now push reset again. Hold it down for a 2 count.
2.
Yeah.
One.
There you go. Okay, that got rid of the e-stop. Now the big motor drives that are inside this panel are resetting. I'm going to reset it one more time. Okay, now the machine's ready to start. So you go to main menu.
I can't believe this.
Okay. Now go to manual control, and you're going to start the pump up for just a second to get it all lubed up. Press feed water pump. Just press anywhere right there where it says feed water pump. All right. Press hand. See where it says hand?
Uh-huh.
Just touch where it says hand. That puts it in manual control so you can control it by hand. Now push start.
Oh.
Okay, now it says it's running, but it's turning at 0 speed. Okay, so I want you to give it a speed of say 30%. So just touch the blue, touch the blue there. Just type in 30.
Oh.
And then hit the enter button. There you go. You just started the pump. Okay, now we're watching the oil pressure right here.
Uh-huh.
So it's going to start building oil pressure like oil pressure in your car,
Yeah.
right? So you'll see the oil pressure coming up.
Of course.
So now it's oiling the crankshaft and oiling the connecting rods and getting all it connected. It's a pre-lube, so I like to start it up before I put it under load and run it for a couple seconds.
Uh-huh. Well, that makes sense.
Just to make sure it's all lubed up.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
How in the world did you ever figure this all out?
Well, you don't figure it out all at once. You don't figure it out all at once.
I know, but
You figure it out a little bit at a time, you know. You figure out what's wrong with this step, and then you improve that. And you just keep improving it, and you keep learning from everybody. And
does this have to get up to 30?
no, you can see it's coming up pretty stable.
Yeah. Okay. Now.
So it's good enough to start now.
settled in.
Yeah. So you can go ahead and put this back in auto. Press auto. Yep. All right. Now press
I'm
main
not as
menu.
tall as you, so there's a reflection.
Oh yeah, it's kind of.
Okay.
There's too much
Main
stuff.
menu.
Press main menu. Yeah. Now you just push the magic button right there. Push start. And then testing. You just started it.
Oh my.
Here it comes. So first it's going to start pumping water. So it's pumping the water through at 25 gallons a minute. Okay.
Oh.
Then in just a minute, the big blower's going to start, and it's going to start purging. So it'll purge all the gases that are in there out. You know, make sure it's clean and there's nothing flammable in there to make sure it don't make a boom when it starts up.
Oh my.
That's the first thing it does is blow anything that's in there out in case it's accumulated any gases while it's been off. There it goes. So now it's running on. We'll do that for a couple minutes. It tells you how long. I'm going to shorten that out just because I've been running it. And I've got a special button that if you want to do the speed, I can just I put my little button down. It's showing up here, but on the first that shortens it up so it has a short turn. But I've been running it, so I know what to say.
Yeah. He said you were done.
Yeah. Well, I had it running a few minutes ago. Okay, so right now, it's just purged. It's cleared it all out. Now, the combustion control, which is this Honeywell device, it's now in control.
Honeywell makes this.
Yeah, Honeywell makes just this part. It's made by Honeywell, and this is talking to this.
They make a lot of things.
They make a lot, but this is all they make. We program and assemble everything else.
You guys know what this is.
Yeah, we build all this. We just this is the middle of the garbage. We install all this, design it all, build all that. Oh, I got a lot of smart people working here.
I know you do, but I just can't imagine.
Yep.
It just blows my mind.
Okay, now come down here. I want you to come right out here. Come on down. Yep. Step on down. Now look in there.
Oh my.
That's the diesel fuel fire that just started.
Oh really?
Yeah. So now it's running strictly on diesel fuel, just like automotive for
Yeah,
truck
truck.
diesel. It's just farm diesel. It's Ruby red diesel.
Oh.
So now it's running strictly on diesel fuel, and now it's going to start ramping up. It's stepping on the gas right now and giving it more and more diesel fuel. It does it very slowly. It takes it gradually over a 10 or 15 minute period. It ramps it up to temperature, and then it'll be making high quality steam here in a few minutes. That's all there is to it. You just started the whole machine.
Oh, I'm not smart.
So,
I just can't believe it. It just impresses me. I ask him about it every day.
yeah. Well, you know, it looks really complicated, but if you break it down in little chunks, it's really not. And I learned all this stuff by working with other people. You know, they taught me all this. I call it going to steam
Yeah,
generator
you didn't
talk.
learn it all in one day.
No, years. So, you know, and then I've been slowly imparting my knowledge to the people who work here, and they have taken a lot of things that I've taught them and ran with it and made it better. So that's the design work.
Because they're engineers, they grew with what you told them.
Yeah, I didn't lay all this out. I just told them where I wanted it, and they laid it out and made it look really nice. So they've done all the engineers here have done a great job of. But Mike has done a bunch of this, like the tubing. Mike,
Oh, I know.
he's just been
Listen, I
helping me.
trained him really to be my son. And I told him at breakfast this morning, you are my son. We both got blue eyes.
But Mike's been helping. You know, he's just been around helping me while I've been working on it.
And he can do all that kind of
Oh yeah,
He can do anything.
it all looks very, very nice. Now let's go back here.
It's ready to go.
Huh?
It's ready to go.
It's ready to. It can leave for Venezuela right now. I'm just doing a little bit of. I got some squawks. You know, like you got the squeak in the door seal. You know, of the car. I'm just fixing the squawks right now. The squeaky door. We got to get rid of all the little rust spots. And, you know, put some clips on here and there. It's just all spiffy work, but it all operates like it's designed.
Yeah, yeah.
Now it's just a little cleanup.
This rust or burn or...
Yeah, it's just rust. Well, we drilled the holes and put the bolts in that the other
Okay,
night.
I thought that looked like brandy.
We just got to clean it off. So we'll clean all that off and give it a bath and touch it up here in the next coming days. So come back this way.
Trucking company's going to take it.
What?
A trucking company's going to take it to my house.
That's right. Yeah, I don't have to. Come on back here.
I did.
Yeah, it's normally going down a water well. I mean, down an oil well, I mean. Right? But that's the discharge. That's going to be steam here in a minute.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so you can see the temperature. Right here.
Oh.
That tells you the temperature of the water. This tells you the pressure inside the machine.
And these guys are happy with it?
Oh yeah, very happy. They're very happy.
Okay.
They said they'd never been to
You
a.
had to change some things.
Huh?
You had to change some things.
Oh, not change, just add a few things.
Oh,
Like they wanted all these instruments. They wanted instruments added. They wanted some plugs. They wanted some plugs taken off and some valves put on.
Oh.
And but I don't have to do any of that. My customer's going to do that for them.
Oh.
We're just. But the other things they wanted done was like, you know, getting rid of this rust. We're just going to paint that, but it was already on our list to paint anyway.
Oh, okay.
We just hadn't had time to do it. We didn't want to until we were all done. You see the temperature going up. It'll go up pretty fast.
It's just amazing. I hope they don't take advantage of you.
Oh, they won't. I know what I'm doing.
Well, I know, but you know, there's a lot of crooks in the world.
Yeah, don't worry.
There's a lot of crooks in the world.
Yeah, I know.
I know.
It ain't leaving here till it's paid in full.
Okay. Well, hope good for you. You know, that's what you got to do.
You have to. It'll come right up here in just a second.
How high does it have to go?
500.
Oh. And now it's on diesel.
It's on diesel.
And you said red diesel.
Ruby diesel, just like you put in the farm tractor.
Okay. See, my best friend that died a year ago, her son lives on the farm, and he has diesel
Yeah.
delivered.
Same diesel.
And okay, that's what I thought. When you said red, I thought that's what it was.
Thank you.
And this can run on diesel, natural gas, and propane.
And with a small conversion, it'll run on crude oil. It has everything to run on crude oil too. Not crude oil, but they call it 6 oil.
I don't know about that.
Well, it's like crude oil. It's crude oil. It's crude oil that's been lightly
Then down.
processed. You know, all the crud's been removed. All the crude oil is very dirty. It has dirt in it. It has water in it. But if you take that stuff out of it, and it's got the right viscosity, you can change it. They can call it 6 oil.
Why would you need 4 choices?
Huh?
Why would you need 4 choices? You got 3.
Well, it depends on what fuel you have in the field. Some of these places where you go, you don't have natural gas, and diesel fuel is very expensive. I mean, this thing will burn probably $6 million worth of diesel fuel a year.
Oh, I bet so. Yeah.
Yeah. So if a crude oil, if you can get 6 oil, you might get that for next to nothing, especially if you're making your own.
Well, yeah.
But it's
That
very
makes sense.
difficult to
get it processed.
not to process it. It's very dirty. I mean, it's a black oil, and it's
But to clean it up, I
it
think.
kind of sets up like tar on
Yeah,
things.
yeah,
You got to
yeah.
heat the machine up.
Uh-huh.
There's a lot more. It's the most labor-intensive fuel that you might burn. Where propane, you just fill it and hit the button.
Yeah.
Same with diesel fuel, same with natural gas. But on number 6,
So you've got to paint these.
yeah, we'll paint them next week.
So you've got this week to do it.
We got we got till next Friday. It'll all be done.
Oh
Hey, your temperature's coming right on up. That's normal. That's just condensate, rain. They always have that. It's aluminum cover, yeah. And inside it's got a real hard insulation. It's not soft, it's a hard
Is it
insulation.
like what's on the inside of
Kind of
this?
like what's on the inside,
Okay.
yeah. They carve it
I
out.
can hardly wait for you to get started on the second one.
I'm ready.
I am too.
We're ready. They're going to go up now. See, the pressure's going up. See, it's 140 already. So as the pressure goes up, the temperature will climb rapidly.
Oh.
You can see it coming right on up.
Yeah, I just can't believe it.
You'll be making steam out the back here in just a minute.
How high does it have to get before steam comes out?
Oh, it'll show about, it'll show here about 170, 180 when you'll see steam out there. That's just because it's under so much pressure.
Yeah, the
That when
water's
it-
still
when it shoots
running,
out.
but it'll turn into steam.
Yeah, you'll see steam out there before it hits 212, just because we're under pressure inside the machine.
And this is well water.
That's well water. Yeah.
Or how many wells you got?
I just got one.
Right, but you better be saving with that, right?
It puts out a lot of water.
Yeah, oh, that's
Oh yeah. It puts out over 100 gallons a minute. So we're not even close to what it can do.
I see. Oh, there's some food.
Yeah.
That's
Well, come on back
water.
here. Yeah, stand right here and you'll see it start to make steam.
Who ran this co-op?
Yeah, we bought their truck after they had a little accident.
Oh.
That's our propane storage. So we put our propane in there.
Oh.
That's how we run it on propane.
Yeah.
When we're done with the test, we just roll the hose up and put the truck away. We're turning it into a trailer. We're getting rid of the cab and
Oh, really?
it'll be a propane truck, it'll be a propane trailer.
It's pretty beat up by this thing. Does it runs?
No,
Oh, it
we
does?
just tow it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, my.
We're turning it into a wagon.
Uh-huh.
That's the one we went to Arc City and loaded
Can
up on
you
the trailer.
believe?
Yeah, we loaded that up one night. We were down there with the old red trailer loading it up.
Oh. So you had to haul it up here.
Yeah, we put it on that old red trailer over there and hauled it home. Okay, you're getting ready to break over into steam. You can see it starting to accelerate.
Uh-huh.
It'll blow steam clear past the end of the building.
Well, it has to shoot it down in the oil.
Oh, yeah. There you go. You're starting to get some steam.
Uh-huh. Isn't this just amazing?
Yeah.
I'm thankful I the secret?
I want to show you the fire inside. Let's go up and look at that.
Okay. It's really beginning to look.
Yeah. Well, we'll watch this for a minute.
Okay. It's just unbelievable. Oh my, more.
Less water.
What's the pressure?
Right now it's about 200. It'll go up to 1,000.
To be for doing a well.
In a well, we do anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000. Depends on the well pressure.
Oh my.
You have to push it in. The wells always have a maximum because if you overpressure the well, you can fracture the strata, and the steam will come to the surface, or you'll make a connection to groundwater. We never want to overpressure it so much that we damage the underground structure.
So when they get it over there, that's their responsibility.
Yeah, they know all that. They know exactly how much pressure they can put on it.
Okay, they
So
should.
they put just enough pressure in there to heat the well.
What did they say when they saw this? one like this already down there. One of our other machines. They already have one of our machines down I
there.
didn't know that.
Yeah. We sent it down in 2018. And it's running right now, I think. It's running on a different customer site. They may have been moving. That's all there is to it. It'll shut itself off and go to sleep by itself.
I cannot believe it. I just can't believe it.
We'll leave it running so it'll cool itself off. And
It's like you park your car.
yeah,
And you let it run.
yeah. You can just go to the house. This thing will turn itself off all by itself.
You close the door.
Yeah, we close that when we're going to be gone.
Oh,
I got it open today while I'm playing with it.
yeah,
We
right.
really don't need that thing on there anymore because we put this nice roof on it. Even the lights come on automatically.
But it's just a precaution.
Yeah, it keeps it clean if you're going to be gone for a long period of time.
Yeah, yeah.
So, got the lights come on automatically at dark.
Oh.
Turn it off when it gets warm, when it gets light outside. That's all there is to it.
These steps are too deep for 89-year-olds.
Well, we would like to have more steps there, believe me.
Well, it's okay for you young people.
Yeah, we need another step there, a grand staircase.
But now these are nice. Whoever built this, if they knew what they were doing.
Well, Dale,
Enrod.
from Art City built that.
Oh, Dale, I know him.
Yeah. Because it improves the safety of their machine,
And the usability.
usability, and they'll never have to worry about finding stairs for the life of this machine. They're always here.
That's iron. Oh my.
That's it.
Oh my.
You started the generator.
How exciting this is.
Let's get a picture of you with the steam.
Oh my.
Go back here by that gas.
I can't believe. I can feel it.
Don't touch any of them pipes now.
Oh, I won't.
This is 300 degrees right here.